Okay, we got second order differential equation, inhomogeneous, and with a trig function on the right hand side. So minus 5 times the second derivative minus the first derivative plus 4 times y equals the sine of 2x. So we know the solution is going to be a combination of u of x plus p of x, and we're going to let u of x be the homogeneous side, and we'll just solve it like a regular homogeneous equation. So we'll write down the characteristic equation. That's minus 5k squared minus k plus 4 equals 0. Just rearrange that myself. 5k squared plus k minus 4 equals 0. You don't have to do that. Okay, you can use your minus b formula now to solve that. But I'm going to do it by factorizing. So we're going to have 5k and k and 1 and 4, and it'll be plus and minus, so 5 that's fine. And then so 5k is equal to 4, k is equal to minus 1, k is equal to 4 divided by 5. Okay, so we've got the standard solution to a homogeneous equation. So ae to the power of k1x, so 4/5 x, plus be to the power of minus 1x, or minus x in this case. Right, so now we work for p of x. Now p of x here is a trig equation on the right hand side. Now anytime we have our sine or cos on the right hand side, we're always going to make a characteristic equation that's something like a cos x plus b sine x. And in this case, because we've got a 2x there, we'll include that. So we'll do a cos of 2x plus b sine of 2x. That'll be our characteristic equation. So b of x is equal to a cos 2x plus b sine 2x. And then we just need to create the derivatives of that. So the first derivative is going to be equal to minus 2a sine 2x, and then plus 2b cos 2x. And then we go for the second derivative of that, and that's going to be minus 4a cos 2x minus 4b sine 2x. Okay, now we're going to plug those back into our original equation on the left hand side. So I have minus 5 times the second derivative, which in this case is minus 4a cos 2x minus 4b sine 2x. Minus the first derivative, so minus the first derivative, which is minus 2a sine 2x plus 2b cos 2x. Then I've got plus 4 times the function itself, so 4 times p of x. And that's all equal to the right hand side, which is sine 2x. Okay, so we'll multiply the brackets and we'll simplify. So that'll give me 20a cos 2x plus 20b sine 2x plus 2a sine 2x minus 2b cos 2x plus 4a cos 2x. Oopsie daisy, I forgot my a. Plus 4a cos 2x plus 4b sine 2x equals sine 2x. Okay, so let's add together our like terms. So we've got 20a cos 2x plus 4a cos 2x. So that's 24a cos 2x. Then I've got 20b sine 2x and 4b sine 2x. That's 24b sine 2x. And then the last two, they're not like terms, so it's just plus 2a sine x. 2a sine x minus 2b cos 2x. Apologies, that's supposed to be sine 2x, of course, there. A 2x there. Minus 2b cos 2x equals sine 2x. Okay, like terms. So we've got cos's and sines. So on the right hand side though, we've got no cos's, so we could say it's plus 0 cos 2x if we wished. Okay, let's equate like with like, so sines with sines. So we'll do this. We'll do the cos's first. So I've got 24a cos 2x minus 2b cos 2x, and they must be equal to the cos's on the right, which is 0 cos 2x. And then we'll do our sines. We've got 24b sine 2x. Apologies, my pen stopped writing. Sine 2x plus 2a sine 2x. That's equal to sine 2x. Okay, so we'll divide across to simplify. I'll divide everything by cos 2x. And I'm left with 24a minus 2b equals 0. And dividing across by sine, I'm going to have 24b plus 2a equals 1. Alright, so you can we'll do simultaneous equations here. So I'm just going to work on my first equation here, and I'll get a in terms of b. So 24a equals 2b. So a equals 2b over 24. A equals b over 12. And I'm going to sub that now into my second equation. So I've got 24b plus 2 times a, and a is just b over 12, and that's equal to 1. So 24b plus 2b over 12 equals 1. I got a common denominator on the right. So I put it all over 12 and simplify. 12 times 24, 288. So that's 288b plus 2b equals 1. Alright, 12 is dividing, so we'll bring it across to multiply, and we'll add our top line. So we've got 290 on the top line, and 12 comes across to multiply. Perfect. So b then is just going to be equal to 12 over 290. And simplify 12 over 290. That will give us, 2 seconds. That gives us 6 over 145. Okay, so now we found what b is. We need to go and see if we can find out what a is. And we've got a convenient expression for a over here. So we'll sub that back in. So a is just going to be b, which is 6 over 145, all divided by 12. So a is just going to be 1 over 290. So I have my a and my b, so we're ready to put our p of x together. Okay, so let's just zoom out there. So we said at the very start our p of x is a cos 2x plus b sine 2x. So p of x is equal to a, 1 over 290, cos 2x, plus b, which is 6 over 145, sine 2x. Okay, so we can put together a final solution then. So y is equal to u of x, which we said is ae to the power of 4/5 x, plus be to the power of minus x, plus p of x. So plus 1 over 290 cos 2x, and plus 6 over 145 sine 2x. Perfect.